As it has rightly been said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step and the initial steps of our little ones to school. Delhi World Public School Manendragarh, an institution that has stood as a testimony of education, drawing inspiration from our principal cum mentor, Honorable Dr. Basant Tiwari.
We, Delhi World Public School family, with our remarkable and outstanding presence at this region, assure all the parents of this region that the presence of your child every day here at our DWPS premises will be a step to the pinnacle of their success, wherever they would like to go or whatever they would like to be.
Delhi World Public School, which is a CBSE affiliated one, is located in the heart of Manendragarh town. The peaceful atmosphere, scenic structure induce the best from every student who chooses to be in this abode of wisdom and learning. Our school welcomes new technologies to accelerate the teaching learning process, assisted by a very simple formula of teaching, that is, be a child and teach. Our school stands the exemplary simplicity, contentment, self-evolution and growth of inner self, peace, culture, moral values and non-exhibition of materialism among our students, as these are our core values. Giving utmost importance to the students' comfort and safety, the school infrastructure is impeccable and well built when it comes to facilities. Delhi World Public School Manendragarh has their all kinds. Our school has a ravishing reception area with the statue of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and wisdom, and an experienced FOE cum admin. On the ground floor, we have our pre-primary school with a play group with all the corners of the room well designed and painted for our little ones, and our pre-primary classes which are spacious, colorful and conceptual for our tiny tots. Looking forward to the safety of our students, we have poles around the staircase to move to the next level of classes on the other floors, and corridors of our pre-primary, primary, middle and high school. The classrooms are spacious, well lit and equipped with modern technology and smart classes to aid students in their teaching learning process. Our school provides well-trained, experienced, innovative and certified educators to refine and enhance the overall personality of our young and bright students. The physics, chemistry and bio laboratories have been designed to provide the real implementation of science, and it experiments with all the required tools, equipment and resources in order to excel, experiment and explore the different concepts of science. Libraries are a vital part of education and they open a different world beyond academics. Therefore, our school library is well furnished and stocked with an extensive and enormous collection of books, journals and other reading materials to support the students' academic pursuits and also to widen their minds. The well-furnished computer lab provides a network to our students to master in their basic skills to advanced 21st century graphic designing skills. Apart from academics, our school has a tremendous multipurpose hall in order to conduct various cultural events, indoor sports and for our special assemblies to facilitate. In our school, there are a variety of clubs and organizations for the students to join, including sports team, music, dance, karate, art and craft, and more. In order to be with enthusiastic sports spirit among our students, our school provides several options to choose from various games and sports. For those interested in dance and music, our school offers both classical and western dance and music classes. In terms of conveyance, our school provides comfortable bus as well as van convenience to ensure their journey with ease to and from school. At DWPS, we are more than just an educational institution. We are a family and we welcome you to join us. We would be pleased to be on a quality partnership in your child's education.